Hey, welcome back to another video of Total Tesla. Today I'm doing some maintenance on my car today, and just got in a FITEV windshield wiper kit that I got off Amazon. It was like $21. So I saw another video and I thought I'd make a video myself and install this real quick. Don't do much with my Tesla Model Y. I've got the performance, so I haven't had to rotate any tires, and in 2 years haven't done any other maintenance other than doing a wheel alignment. But other than that, windshield wiper fluid, and that's basically about it. So I think my cabin air filter is still good, and my HEPA filter is still good. So I'm not doing anything major right now, and really that's pretty simple. So let's just take a look. I got this here, and it comes with the two windshield wiper blades. So, and a little instruction guide. Let's go inside the car and take a look at what you have to do to prepare. So I'll be right back. Let's take a look. All right, so basically you're going to get into your menu, and this is a service item. So you're going to find service, and you're going to go to wiper service mode. And it's going to raise the wiper blades for you to easily install the blades. So let's take a look at that. Be right back. All right, so while I have everything out, I do have a towel too. So just in case, I'll lay my towel down so I don't scratch my windshield. And then let's take a look here. Now, these should be pretty simple. They already come protected in a nice protective wrap. Doesn't have any labels on it as far as which one is which, but I'm assuming the shorter one is this one, and the longer one is for the main one. So we'll put on the short one first. And there is a nice protective coating on the actual blade itself. So that's nice. Now, what you have to do on here, if you can, it's hard to see, but this is where I should have a photographer, but it's pretty simple. There's this little button right here. You're going to press this button, and it'll easily come undone. Let me do that real quick. With one hand, it's kind of tough, but you're just going to press this, and this is going to slide out. Pretty simple. There it is. All right. So this is the old one. And we'll put the new one in. And it looks the same. I mean, if you want to compare the two, they're just about identical. I don't see any difference. And we're just going to push it in, just like this here. Maybe it goes in the other way. There it is. That was pretty simple. Now let's get the other side. All right, so my angle is not the greatest here, but I'm going to do the same thing. Press down. Oh, that's it. Well, and these look identical. I don't see any difference. Let me toss this to the side. And we're gonna insert. I think it gotta go this way. No, it's gotta come this way. That's it. All set. And now you got a fresh pair of windshield wiper blades on. Now the next thing you're going to do, pretty simple. Come with me into the car. All right, so I go back over here to your menu and back to service and wiper blade mode, and they disappear. All right, well, thanks again for watching Total Tesla. I should have a video soon, full self-driving. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day. Take care.